All right. So one thing I know for sure, we shouldn't let um, as traders, we should listen to the market, be open-minded, listen to the market, and don't let you to tell you what to do. So your expectations is one thing, and it doesn't matter what you expect from the market. You gotta really listen and stick to that plan. So, and it's I found it's really kind of like what differentiate a profitable trader from constantly like breaking even trader or losing loser trader. You gotta take those stops. You gotta get out of the trades if it's just not doing what you wanted. You just gotta bail on a trade. Um, so anyway, just a little bit talk about being a trader. All right, so what are you doing? UPWK, yeah, UPWK. Let's see what it's doing right now. Had a nice close yesterday. I did like UPWK. The buy was yesterday. I don't remember what time I mentioned, but you could buy this like on the breakout here, the 15 minute opening range breakout right there around 46.65, or even after this kind of like uh, consolidation move. And what something else was really good yesterday. Trying to remember. What was that? What was that? Mm. Oh, probably mentioned there in swing trading section. Let's check it out. Wish list or whatever. Swing trading. CRVD, yeah. CRVD also looked pretty decent yesterday. Nice close. I did like this breakout. As you can see, this pattern double bottom being in play on many names, So you gotta identify that you got a double bottom in play on many stocks right now. Then you got this trend line breakout right in play. The same type of pattern on freaking, I don't know, Piton slightly different, but this is kind of like the same as well. Um, which as you can see very close. PayPal. So same type of a pattern. Anyway, so let's look at the market. So we have a little bit of selling going on right now, as you can see. Um, Overnight session on futures. So pretty much we kind of chopped, went higher and tanking right now. So a little bit of selling. So people selling for the Friday, right? Friday morning we selling, probably shake out. Well, I really want to see this today. But again, what I want doesn't matter. What you want doesn't matter. A possibility that we're gonna have a nice shakeout in the morning. Take it out, stops, blah blah blah. People are gonna take profits from the Monday, right? Beginning of the month, pretty much. Monday was. Um, that's when people put capital to work. So if you get lucky, so that's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna see this morning shakeout, and then we're gonna find the bounce and close strong end of the day and carry over for the next week and continue this run up for the next week. That's one scenario. Another scenario is gonna be choppy day, just gonna go nowhere. Maybe volatility gonna increase. In another case, it could be a nasty sell-off end of the week, nasty sell-off on closing week. But I don't see honestly any negativity from the market why we should sell on kind of really bad. I think we in a nice bullish uptrend, and a little bit of selling would be nice, but still curling this 5-day moving average, really um, good looking chart. So as you can see, SPY is still curling this, kind of extended from 5. Qs today, Q's today pulling the most. This was a nice run on Q's. So what are we sitting right now? 333. This is very, very nice orchestrated move from market makers. So this is what I call professional gap. I mean, this is not my terminology, but you got a nice consolidation yesterday. Probably people bought yesterday, end of the day, because they were thinking we're gonna have that one. Yeah, you got to run, but then look at this. We're gapping down below the prior day into the window, so trapping people there. So it's a professional gap. Possibly we're gonna see a nice, nasty sell-off today. Possibly all the way back to 330s, back to this consolidation. So let's see what's gonna happen today. I have a bunch of, I'm underwater on most of my names, and I have stops in place. I'm gonna get stopped out on a few names, because it's just not working. And the price is about it. Most names just not working. VIX. All right, maybe volatility gonna increase today. So financials strong today, 0.6%, and XLK down 0.6%. What else standing out? Gold down. Semis down 0.6%. You got blockchain up 1%. You got 10. I forgot what's 10. Solar's down 1.2%. So I do like few shorts, guys. SPWR. If I can type it, SPWR. It's already going a little bit. I hate when they do it, but it's still spread. Shorting SPWR at 29, risking probably 80 cents to $1 to the prior 2 days consolidation, and this thing can go ATR $3. This is a key level. If you're gonna tank this level, where can we go? Really, probably back to this consolidation right here, all the way to 24, 25 bucks. That would be kind of ideal target. 24, 25 bucks. And I like shorting ABNB. I'm in this name, but I'm gonna cut a loss. I'm in this name, and I'm close. Where is that? I'm literally sitting at my stop right now. I'm gonna get out of this trade probably at the open. Fucking garbage, guys. Not doing exactly what I want. That level on above didn't even hold, and the problem is I made a mistake. I didn't put a stop. This is a good example of not putting a stop. So I added on a trade right there on a double bottom. That was a good add. The stop should go lower, and I left my desk, and then end of the day like, oh fuck it. So now stop goes below this level, and that's what pretty much I'm heading in. Still in my risk parameters. Don't lose, never risk more than 2% of your account. So this is going to be 1.5% of my account loss on ABNB. But I'm, like I mentioned today, you don't hope, you don't wait. Yes, there are a few more levels here, but I don't want to sit here and wait for it to go. I rather eat my loss and move on, right? So I actually like this on the short side, shorting 179, 180, and taking it down all the way to this trend line 172. Possibly have a level here around 175 on the way, but this thing has an ATR 10 bucks and can really move. So I do like short setup here. Yeah. All right, so a few more names I am watching, guys. I'll show you daily watch. Most of them actually long. I like two shorts, SPWR and ABNB. I do like Procter & Gamble long, ARY on the long side, Jivo on a long bounce maybe of 820s today. PayPal. long setup. I mean, but look at this market selling off right now. You just gotta follow the wave, right? Which way the wave is moving. You kind of have to wait right now. And for example, Blink, I like this for the breakout long 46.50, but it's at 44 right now. The inflection point, the trigger price, it's not there. So there's no buy here. There is other setup coming in here right now. Not even a short setup. It's probably some sort of a bounce coming in later today. NAT long Selch. This one looking very strong. I'm in this name. Let's see how it's gonna behave. It's doing its own thing. I like independent names. So Selch is one of those names. Doesn't care about the market, doing its own thing. If we start breaking 54.60 on Selch, I might be adding a lot there for the move higher, all the way to 60s. TTD looking strong. Yesterday we closed above the level. Doku, yesterday very nice close. I'm thinking about long position there. Zoom looking at a little bit, kind of this downtrend breakout. Etsy. We forget about this name, but look at this. Also looking for this downtrend breakout. Who knows what's gonna happen? It also can reject today. Many names can actually bounce and reject. Piton. That was a smart decision of me. Get out yesterday, pretty much high of the day, taking off the table. That was a nice swing from prior day 114s, I think, all the way to 124s. All right, SPWR. This one is really nice, guys. I want to short this name. Probably a good size you can put it. Look at this. ABNB is already dropping below my freaking stop. CCL. All right, CCL. What's this name? I think had an upgrade today. Price target $33. I also saw some news related to Florida suing government for the fact that government bans cruise lines to start operating. So we'll see what's gonna happen there. LOVE, love. On Twitter, people talking about short squeeze on this name. Earnings next week. 414 love earnings today. There's no price action yet going on this name, but I see people on Twitter talking about short squeeze on love. So if you look how people position themselves, we right at the high. That's where shorts sitting, right on the highs, right? That's where they're putting their stop. Not only that, so often also people buy kind of in the middle on shorts, right? Building their position. The average probably around 58. So people under the water right now. The moment we start breaking these levels, people will be panicking. This possibly can be a nice runner today. Not a lot of volume on average. Like what is this? Like 3, 4, 500K. But worth watching today, guys. Breakout over 68, probably 68 50s, 68 40s. And lastly, football. Signed contract with World Cup in Qatar 2022. So they're gonna be the main streaming provider. So a little bit spiking here, and that's it. That's what I'm watching today. What's up, Rabbit?
Good morning, guys. Morning, stock operator, FMT, Joe Norm, July. How's everybody doing?
Good. It's kind of quiet. Awesome. Not many names on the scanner. You got a little bit of sell-off.
Right. I see that we're live on YouTube, so I want to remind everybody that we are not financial advisors. We're not money managers. We're all registered brokers, and any mention of any security is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Do your due diligence, and we're not reliable for any losses. All information provided is for educational purposes only. Anyway, we got that out of the way. Coming here to my desk pretty late today, unfortunately, but I'm watching Playboy, PLBY. This thing been spiking here. It seems like it's kind of running out of steam. I'm watching that 25 mark. What it seems like it's either gonna put a high or low here and spike to the upside, or is gonna roll over a little bit. It seems like the SPY gapping up, selling off, so it's going into yesterday's range. So you never know. It's a Friday. The past Fridays we've been seeing spikes per my observation. So we'll see what happens. But I did a quick look here to the market, and I found a couple of names that I added to my watch list. So JKS, it seems like it had a earning problem, earning review, earning loss. Here you go. So I'm watching JKS. This thing washed pretty nice. It's under 10%, so it's gonna have the SSR on. So I'm gonna be waiting for a pop, consolidation, trend reversal. I don't want to jump out of the gates shorting this name for sure. Gets pretty sketchy. UCTT. This is another one that had a public offering. So it's gapping down. It's kind of selling off here. So I'm waiting for this for a short as well. JGSL. This thing's not a big mover, but I'm just, since we don't have many movers, I kind of have second degree plays on the watch as well. Again, I'm still waiting for SGH. I'm gonna have that on my watch. Today is the third day from the move from 46 all the way to 56. So that's pretty substantial move to the upside. It's a little bit on the low volume side. What else we have here? Let's go through this. Yeah, Playboy, I have that. KBR is kind of flagging here. I'll share with you guys what I'm looking at. It's kind of holding itself up. Yesterday had a wash and then recovered. Seems like it's putting this flag here. I shared the chart in the chat. We have rice that was going crazy yesterday. Today kind of turning around. So yeah, I'm gonna put rice. Oh, rice is not shortable, so never mind. Unfortunately. Oh, the other name that I have is TSM. I think TSM, after it washed, it popped up, and now pre-market is kind of selling off. I think we might see a continuation to the downside here. So I have that on watch as well. Nothing that seems to be straight out of the gate play for me.
I like SPWR straight of the gate short.
SWR?
SPWR.
Oh, solar power.
Solar, the whole entire solar industry is down today over 1%. So very clean level 29 potential breakdown there.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, I think JKS is solar as well.
Yep, it is.
Yeah. All right, perfect. So we're gonna have a sector play going on here.
Facebook guys looking really nice too for that intraday level breakdown 310. Get about $9 ATR, so possibly it's gonna wash out for like, it's not gonna hold this level. 310s.
Yeah, one thing that I don't want to forget about is Vicom. VIAC. This thing is amazing. Amazing how the stock can't bounce. It's pretty crazy. right. Eric says this is gonna keep an eye on Snap. I know Snap was ripping yesterday, wasn't it? Snap. So Snap was moving. It actually had a pretty nice move. It's a pretty big long leg here. 48 to 63. It's coming up to this zone, which is a supply zone 64. I'm putting Snap on my watch as well. Alright. Yeah, we even have this. What's going on with X? Is X flagging or losing it? Oh, X actually pulled back on the way. I'm gonna go through my watch list for yesterday and see if anything pops up.
Oh, Boeing tells 16 airline customers to ground some 737 MAX. BA. Okay. BA started.
Is this a new headline?
Yeah, just now, 3 minutes ago. On CNBC. BA. Going back to the prior day low. BA with the headline today. Getting some volume.
Yeah, this is definitely a news that's gonna move the market. Yeah, look at that.
What is I forgot what's we can't trade VIX, right? But what's it used to be TWIX, TVIX. Volatility.
TZA.
Say what?
UVXY.
UVXY. Here you go. UVXY. All right. Something I'm thinking about looking at. UVXY. So somebody put a bet, $40 million on options on volatility by July that is gonna hit $40. It's at 17 right now.
They put a bet on the VIX?
Yeah.
What is the VIX at?
17.
Oh, wow. So everybody's now, their mission is to squeeze the market.
No, yeah.
God.
The UVXY, if you look at that, it's kind of freaking ugly. This 5 minute is so much dash. It's like August trading. How are you gonna trade that stuff?
Yeah, UVXY is until the market actually the volatility picks up. This thing just this is how it trades. All right, so today I'm watching Snap, BA, Playboy, JKS, DWR. Do we have low floaters moving or no? It's a big thing.
Julie, you asked me a question. Sorry, remembering every day, forgetting to respond. Candle over candle. What is that? Or candle under candle. So, um, it's a good Snapchat. So it's like engulfing type of price action. So this would be candle over candle, potential signal to buy. And the opposite is candle under candle. You got to play the pivot points like here. As you can see, this becomes a pivot point by itself because it's engulfing, candle over candle, strong candle, volume confirms. This is the next prior pivot point, and you can play this candle over candle to this target prior high. As you can see, you will hit your target there. The same applies to the opposite direction. CLOV guys, that one, another one, kind of on a short squeeze. Clove, CLOV. It was yesterday's crazy short squeeze from $7 all the way to freaking 923. Like, look at this. This is like freaking elevator. 2 hours of squeeze.
What is this? Yeah, clove.
Clove, yeah, it's a 30% short flow on that one.
Yeah. Thanks for reminding me. That's the ticker that I was looking for. I'm adding clove here.
Anyway, guys on YouTube, thank you for watching. Join us on Discord. We staying here and streaming pretty much 1 hour, usually 2 hours, depends who goes to work first. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it off the stream on YouTube. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later.